Uh, Hello, so today we are doing a quick unboxing video of Cricut Joy. Cricut Joy is the basic machine out of the three Cricut machines. It is a true portable machine which is an extremely cute and superb machine to pick if you are looking for smaller projects. You are a resin artist who makes only who's looking to only make stickers, and it's an entry level machine also. So we are I'm going to show it to you. Yeah, I am opening the machine. The approximate price for this machine is about 16,000 on Amazon, but you should, if there is any offer going on in Amazon, you will get it at a much cheaper price. Also, if you're buying any of the Cricut machines, I would recommend you to buy the bundles because they come with some basic tools that you would require when you have Cricut machines with you. I'm sorry for the background. There is construction going on in my house, so my house looks like a mess. Just like I had decided that I was going to put in a lot of get ready for an unboxing video, but I have lost patience and given up, and I'm doing an unboxing video. So this is how the machine looks like. Chuttu sa machine. It's a cute little machine. So this is your Cricut Joy. Again, if you're not getting good discounts at Amazon and if you're looking for more discounts, you could connect with me and I will share my code with you, wherein you can buy the machine on Cricut's official India website, which is the Cricut India store. And if you have Cricut machines and are still looking to buy any accessories, or you're looking to buy vinyls, then also you can use the code and get discounts. So if you want the discount, do check. It's also on my page. I think the code is also mentioned on my page. So you get the connector along with the machine, and you get the Cricut Joy pen, which can be used to run it. And you get the pack. The best purchase and the cheapest purchase that I've ever made is this thing, which I've bought of, I'm going to be like an influencer, it's going to be, is this, because it is so amazing. It just helps me to make these neat cuts everywhere. So what you get in this is your warranty card. You have a 1-year warranty with any of your Cricut machines. Any problem that you have, your machine is replaced within a year. There is no repair. You get a brand new machine. It's a cute mat. Got some smart vinyl with it, and I've also got some cups. Let's get started. So this is it. So this is what I have got in my Cricut Joy pack, which I have ordered, and I'm super excited to use it. Thank you.